Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove this thing right there, the steering angle error, after you have disconnected or replaced the battery on a Skoda Octavia 2 facelift from 2010. Okay, so from my understanding, what happens with this thing after you remove the battery, it forgets what is maximum to the left, maximum to the right. So it forgets its center and its proper position. So some people report that they actually don't have a steering assist until this sensor relearns its position. One variant to relearn its position is simply power on the car and go full rotation to the left, full rotation to the right. Another variant, if this doesn't work, is do a bit of driving, and this should also clear. But for me, let's try the first variant. As you can see, this is all that we have at the moment, the only error. Okay, so let's do this. Let me go fully to the right, and I'm locked. And then I think we are already starting to go fully to the left. And I'm locked also. And as you can see, this thing cleared, and yep, it's this simple. So don't fear if you see that appearing on your dashboard. Obviously, if it appears randomly when you are driving, no bueno, but this is not the case. So yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one.